So, concluding, a Garcia Lamarcki, or also known as Lamarck's sheet coral, can be found in the Agaricidae family and usually is found living in the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Bahamas. Though there is no specific population size for this species, it's listed vulnerable in the IUCN list, considering it is rapidly declining in population. This coral can be found usually living deep in channels in lagoon environments. Unlike other coral species, it has a symbiotic relationship with the marine algae called zooxanthellae, I want to say, and receives most of their nutrients from these little creatures and the whole concept of photosynthesis. Lamarck's sheet coral asexually reproduces, just like most coral, and is listed in Appendix 2 of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. So Lamarck's sheet coral is found in many U.S. marine protected areas, which provides a degree of protection. Also, there's a lot of research being done to further assess the act of conserving the species in a greater, more efficient level. And so throughout this project, I was really able to learn more about coral, which is something I think I'm interested in researching more in the future. It has made me realize that there is like a deep importance and need for conserving coral reefs and how important they are to the environment. And it really surprised me how much coral is underappreciated and not conserved to the extent it should be, according to the decrease that's happening in its population size. And I think it should be important for others to know the significance of this decrease in coral reefs and also how to better conserve for the sake of our environment as a whole.